Hi everyone, this is Adi with Adi's Mariposas Creations, and thank you for watching. I am going to make a wreath tonight, and the focus of the wreath is going to be this sign that says, "Baby, it's cold outside." The measurements on this sign are 6 by 12. I'm using a Christmas wreath form, and it's supposed to be 24 inches once I fluff it, but at the moment it measures out to be 17 inches. And I'm using Christmas ball ornaments, and I have grays and blues, and I have some additional ones right here that have snowflakes on them. And here are the ribbons that I'm planning on using. I haven't narrowed out which ones, and I will be using a little bit of deco mesh for this wreath. And so let's see how this little project turns out to be. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned to the finished product. Thank you.